Former UNLF Chairman R.K. Sanayaima asserted that as long as those who stand behind armed Kuki militants and dictate them to wage war continue to exist, peace will remain elusive in Manipur. He stressed the urgent need to unite against such unseen powers who are working to divide the people. He made the statement during Ningol Chakauba celebration organized by Apunba Khundrakpam Kendra Tengbang Lup for internally displaced families residing at Sajiwa and Sawombung relief camps held at Sawombung Community Hall today. R.K. Sanayaima further stated that the ongoing conflict, now spanning over 2 years, was instigated by Kuki armed militants backed by unseen groups, stressing that such a prolonged conflict could not have been sustained without outside support, and as a result, innocent civilians continue to suffer the consequences. He further warned that illegal infiltrators from Myanmar have now begun to attack on indigenous people, posing a grave threat to Manipur's social and cultural fabric. Highlighting growing divisions among indigenous communities recently, he said that this disunity reflects a broken thread that must be mended immediately. He also pointed out the state's growing economic dependence on goods from outside and the severe unemployment faced by internally displaced persons who are eager but unable to find work. He urges NGOs, social workers, and civil society organizations to collectively pressure the government to address these issues and work together towards a stronger and self-reliant Manipur. The event was also attended by Khundrakpam Kendra Tengbang Lup President Maibam KB, Commerce and Industry Department Geology and Mining in charge Thongam Phulchand, and Icham former President N. Rajendra.
Kuki lang hari si kena lang noi si mengalui kami ada tu. Kuki marumda kena lepi kena mating pami han nadi muncul lompi lah kami tu na itu kurangsa maya ni sektor untuk singgah beri ada masih di Myanmar orang tu hanya lepas Kuki population na aku sektor dah asyik singgah hole. Asyik bah kita masih sta hajik si aku lepas sekunda menerima kurangsa maya apa yang wakil lingzen. Ambil peringga apa tu pandang sangat menegana Manipur history dah mesti family bas singa kuasu soalnya tengah beli kita waktu mungkin saya dah aku ini same sangat dah betul aduh tu kerana mana coba pengang yang apa konsep sana apa maduna lepas ya punya pandang sangat pada mati yang pangga lima hota tuan yang apa aduh mau wakai siu memang semasa aku kenal satu kerana mati yang sudah tangguh. Mana ada indigenous ni nanti hari waktu cang boleh buat model orang mereka pernah si macam si kain yang yang pun boleh saya masih perisa senakan dia masih umur walaupun sih saya betul pun sih ada betul lepak tu kan kami masih nak kami.